Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another Aliexpress unboxing, so let's get right into it. Let me see, what's this? Oh my gosh, the silver yacht. How cute! Look guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god, I think it's adorable. It's so cute. That's so cute. I think that was it for this one. And then the second one, let me see, can I get this open with one hand or I need to... Few things in here. Just want to make sure there was no thing anymore in the package. What's this? Okay, so let's open another package. Oh my god, dit is de Ronnie case van de Cinnamon Roll version iPod. Even is this. Oh, it's a strip full of... Yeah, that's for me. Some of these Aliexpress packaging noodle. I'm making it smaller guys because otherwise it doesn't fit in my little bin I have here right. Oh my god, this... Oh my god, I can't wait for this. This one is so cute. Yeah, look at the residue, is not that much on this. Well enough. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. It is absolutely adorable. I can't, oh my god. It's so cute. Look at the little hearts on there. Oh, little hearts on there. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'm living in my car. Oh, let me see if the buttons work. Very pressable. That's always good. Some foam right there. Oh, I like that. It's already, I like it. Like. Nou, I have cinnamon roll en karoni. Oh, if they had a pom pure one too, bro, then I would be already done. Like done instantly. I have my case collection and stuff right there in my drawer, so that's why I'm looking down, guys. Of course, pom pure. Let me see the buttons. Yeah, they're pressable. Not a lot of rigidity, but it is what it is. Next package. Oh my god, yes, bitch. Oh my god, yes. Of course, I got a super one. Nesquichin! A little bit rigidity, but it is what it is. Oh my god, that's so fucking fire. That's so fucking fire. Ah! Okay, so the next thing I think these are my matching watch bands that go with them. Yes. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. So let's try them out, shall we? Real quick. Let's start with the Kurumi one because I'm excited for this one. I'm very excited how this one is going to look on my wrist. Because I customize these ones myself. So yeah, that's why I'm excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, this watch band is absolutely what I wanted. Don't know if I can turn. The detail on this is insane. Oh my god, I fucking love this one. They did so well. Oh my god, that leaves me to try out the other one. Let me have the other one, please. Kurumi. I'm going to try it, the pure one now, because now I'm excited. Oh my god, that's absolutely adorable. Oh my god, pure one. Oh my god, it's so cute. That's so freaking adorable. All the little pom-pompurons on there. Oh my god, that's so freaking adorable. And now we are still one to try out the Nezuko one. Nezuko! Let's go, Chen! Oh my god, that's actually insane. I like this one a lot. Oh wait. Look at that. That's absolutely insane. I love it. I freaking love it. Let me put my watch band back in. So yeah guys, that was it for the unboxing. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and don't hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.